This is the Black Forest, guys. Very beautiful. Let's stop here. Oh, stop muna tayo dito. So this is the local houses here in the Black Forest, guys. So let's take a look. It's already springtime. It's raining here. Raining. And this is the city bus. So this is here the Black Forest of Germany. Here. So it's here. It's been raining today and it's cold. That is the church there. This is the houses here, guys, in the Black Forest. Let's cross the road. Nakaihi na ko. Okay guys, thank you for watching and thank you, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye bye.